Let's talk about the pressure. Kasi the the original Sangre, yung sila Isa Calzado pa lang, massive na siya. Ngayon nung sila Gabby Garcia na, naging massive din siya. Eh, kayo ba? Like, do you feel the pressure o parang hindi, kumbaga tatanggapin naman ito ng tao eh.
That's
Kahit
the pressure. Actually, you just put into words where the pressure is coming from and why there is pressure.
Why?
At hindi naman namin dinideny, Kuya. There is pressure and it is intense. Knowing that we are the third generation of this franchise. Knowing how much people are looking up to this world that GMA has opened into the world. It's so much pressure because you want to be successful in showing how bright the colors will shine in this world for them. Eh. Lahat ng mga Encantadix, imagine ilang dekada na silang nagmamahal sa mundo na ito. And so, hindi kami papayag na we will be the generation who will actually disappoint them. In fact, we will be the generation who will convince them why it is worth waiting for. The pressure is on the same level of how proud we are that we finished this. And actually, watching everything that has been coming out online about the show, kahit kami, Kuya, we never even imagined that it would look this good.
magnificent.
Yes.
We couldn't even describe. Hindi lang siya magical, hindi lang siya basta emotional. It's Encantadia and we're part of it and that it's amazing. Nandun yung pressure.
Dalawa lang kasi yan eh, Kuya Nelson. Yung pressure minsan nakakasama sa tao yan. And yung pressure nakakabuti rin sa tao yan. Kasi kung hindi mo naiintindihan yung pressure, kung hindi mo siya dadalhin, talagang matatalo ka niya. Magkakamali ka na lang ng magkakamali hanggang sa puro mali na lang yung mangyayari sa'yo. Pero kung sakaling maiintindihan mo bakit ka nape-pressure, saan siya nanggagaling, I think mas magagamit mo siya ng tama para mas galingan mo sa ginagawa mo. Kasi kung hindi ka nape-pressure, I think parang wala kang laman, wala kang pakialam sa mga ginagawa mo. Kahit saang aspeto yan o larangan. Kung hindi ka kinakabahan, kung hindi ka nape-pressure, I think doon mo masasabi na doon ka dapat kabahan, doon ka dapat matakot.
Would you say na habang sinushoot nito, bawat shoot ninyo may kaba?
Lagi yun. Hindi siya
Always.
mawawala dahil syempre gusto mong maging maganda yung ginagawa mo, gusto mong maging maayos. Syempre araw-araw ginawa mo kahapon, kailangan mas magaling ka sa kahapon. Lagi mong tatalunin yung past version of yourself. So lagi kang nagre-reinvent, lagi kang gumagawa ng paraan para maging bago ka sa bukas or sa present. Ngayon, yung pressure na yun yung nakakatulong para sa akin na pagbutihin ko sa mga ginagawa ko. Na hindi lang siya basta pressure na nandyan lang siya. Kailangan ko siyang gamitin sa tamang paraan.